Most of you here have used Google Translate before, and I'm sure you've noticed that even without selecting the input language, it automatically detects the language itself. And today you're gonna learn how to detect the language from a text that can be as small as a sentence, or it can scale up to a very large dataset using Mindsdb. Mindsdb is a great platform to build machine learning powered application fast, and there is a Mindsdb cloud. You can log in or sign up if you don't have an account. After that, you'll see the query tab. Then you can write this following command to create a machine learning model called language detection to predict the language using the engine of Hugging Face, test of text classification, and the model name of the Hugging Face model itself, and the input column of text, which is the input data. If you don't know what Hugging Face is, it's an AI community that you can build, train, deploy, and use the models. And the amazing thing is, you can use the models with Mindsdb, and to detect the language, you can use this model that has supports up to 20 languages and accuracy of 99%. So now that you know what we're doing, you can select this first command and click run, and then run the second command to see the model. Now that it is generating, you'll have to wait a while until it is complete. Once it is complete, you can run the third command to detect the language of hello. Now you can see the output language of the text hello, which is English, and you can also see the prediction scores of each language. However, if you have a large data set of text and you would like to detect the languages of it, you can use batch prediction. To do that, you can import your data from any of these databases, or you can import the CSV file as well, like me, then input the table name. Then if you run this command, you'll see the rows just like the CSV file. Then you can use this table to join with the Mindsdb language detection model that we created earlier. Now you can see the output language of the text. So you have the labels and text columns that are from our dataset, and then the other column of predict, which is the prediction of the language. Now you have learned how to detect the language in any forms of data, whether it is a simple sentence or it's tons of paragraphs in your databases. If you like this model, you can learn about other tasks as well, like summarization, zero-shot classification, and translation with Mindsdb. That's all for the tutorial. Thank you for watching.